How to make Google Photos default on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on your Apple ID profile, which is located at the very top and displays your name. This action takes you to your main Apple account page. From the list of options available here, go ahead and tap on the iCloud option. In the iCloud section, you see an overview of your storage. Look for the section with header Save to iCloud and then tap on the Show All button on the right side of it. It will open up a list of all apps that sync data with iCloud. On this list, tap Photos, which is located at the very top to access its sync settings. Here, turn off the Sync This iPhone option. This will stop your photos from backing up to iCloud. Now, go back to your home screen and open up the Google Photos application. Go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon to open the main menu. From here, scroll down to find and tap on the Google Photos Settings option. On the Settings page, select the Backup option at the top. Finally, enable the Backup toggle to ensure your photos now sync with Google Photos. Following these steps, you can easily make Google Photos your default photo backup service.